Hi everyone, my name is Amber Logan and I'm excited to be in this class as I'm trying to be a child life specialist. Events in my life have kind of led me down this road. Being able to handle kids over adults, especially when they're sick, definitely pointed me towards the child life path. And the biggest thing that also kind of drove me to child life was just having my own health issues as a child, and my entire family had their health issues, so it seemed like a good fit. So we have two truths and a lie. I'm very passionate about dancing, particularly social dancing, even though I grew up as a ballerina. Dance or not, I'm a huge foodie, and I love experiencing all different kinds of food from different cultures, and I just love that. So I have one dog, uh, who also seems to enjoy food, and quite often she helps herself to the food I am currently eating, with or without my permission. So there's your two truths and a lie. As a child, I loved games like hide and seek as I was the youngest and smallest, so no one could ever find me, or they just didn't come looking. I don't know. I had some mean siblings. I enjoyed more active games, so I liked cops and robbers, and every year I readied myself for like the Easter egg hunt. I'd slip past my siblings and grab the eggs. So board game wise, once I learned how to master Monopoly, it was my favorite game. Though then my siblings wouldn't play with me anymore. All right, that's a little bit about me, and I hope to get to know you guys. So, thanks, bye.